Sermon number 35. After arbitration. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. All praise is due to Allah, even though time has brought, for us, crushing calamity and great occurrence. And I stand witness that there is no God but Allah the One, there is no partner for him nor is there with him any God other than himself, and that Muhammad is his slave and his prophet. May Allah's blessing and greeting be upon him and his progeny. So now, certainly the disobedience of sympathetic counselor who has knowledge as well as experience brings about disappointment and result in repentance. I had given you my orders about this arbitration and put before you my hidden view. If Cassier's orders were fulfilled but you rejected it, my orders, like rough opponents and disobedient insurgents till the counselor himself fell in doubt about his counsel and the flint, of his wit, ceased to give flame. Consequently, mine and your position became as the poet of Hawazin says. I gave you my orders at Man-Araj-il-Lawa, but you did not see the good of my counsel till the noon of next day, when it was too late.